Start by placing a pan on medium heat and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped onions and saute them until they become soft and slightly golden. Now add panier pieces directly into the pan. Mix gently with the onions and lightly fry the panier so it absorbs the flavor. Stir carefully to avoid breaking the panier. Next, add ginger garlic paste and saute for a few seconds until the raw smell disappears. After that, add the spices and mix well with the panier and onions. Cook the mixture for a short time while stirring. Now add tomato puree and combine everything properly. Cook on medium flame until the masala thickens and oil starts to separate. Add green chili and mix. Let it cook for a few more minutes until the masala is fully cooked. The paneer masala base is now ready.